Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your home club on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already started the eFootball game and you have completed the basic tutorial level, then you will be asked to choose your home club or country. If you have already chosen the team, then you will realize that you cannot change this team later on. So if you wish to change your team later, then there is one way that you can do this. But this process will involve clearing all of your data from the game, which means all of your progress until now will be removed. So before proceeding forward, make sure you link your Google account to your eFootball game to back up all of your current progress. Then long press on the eFootball game and tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for the eFootball game. First of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner to stop the application by tapping on OK. Once you stop the application, scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button to proceed with deleting all of your user data for the eFootball game. After this process is completed, when you open up the eFootball game once again, the game will start all the way from the beginning. And when you complete the basic tutorials, you will be allowed to choose your home club once again. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to change the club that you have chosen within the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.